ओ मैं क्या ध्यान नाल सुन स्किन तेरी लश्कारे मार दी ते दाढ़ी तेरी दिल विच If you don't understand Punjabi, that meant your skin is glowing, your beard looks fire. Who is this guy? So cute. Cue my intro. मैं आज के व्लॉग की शुरुआत एक बहुत ही पॉजिटिव और इनकरेजिंग नोट पे शुरू करना चाहता हूँ. Whatever problems or whatever stresses you have in your life currently, they are there because you have the power to deal with all of those problems. You have the dealability to all of your current problems. If you didn't have, these problems won't be there. So deal with them, grow out of them, learn something from them. I think पिछले कुछ दिनों में when dad was in the hospital, and just so many things were going on, I was not well, and honestly this one thought just kept me going all these days. So yeah, on that positive note, good morning, afternoon, evening, wherever and whenever you're watching this vlog, welcome to day 39 of the daily-ish vlogs. पिछले जो Saturday Sunday की मैंने break ली है, that has truly made these vlogs daily-ish and not daily, because daily is a lot of pressure and I can't handle that. These past 2 days I was just horizontal on my bed. I didn't do a thing. I just chilled. I also watched, I finished in fact Masaba on Netflix. It's a fun watch. You can go and check it out. I did that, and now I have like a list of things that I have to buy, things that I have to do. So let's go. Damn, it feels so good to be vlogging again. I think even a 2-day break can really rejuvenate you. I needed this 2-day break from just everything, because even when dad was in the hospital, I didn't stop vlogging. I was just pushing myself to a point where one day a friend of mine, Akash, if you're watching this, thank you so much for that call. He called me and he said, you need to chill and you need to breathe, because you're not allowing yourself to just be a human. And I was like, no, I'll take care of dad, I will take care of my mom and my sister, I'll take care of myself, I'll take care of my work. But I think एक point के बाद आके you have to be, you don't have to torture yourself. Also I'm speaking a lot अभी यार. Whoa, this I don't like. क्या है ये क्या है मौसम, ये क्या गर्मी है, क्या ह्यूमिडिटी है. इंसान इसमें कैसे जी सकता है? इंसान की भी अपेक्षा है कि कोई अच्छा मौसम हो, पर नहीं. You missed that. You missed this apeksha thing, right? You did. Just you did right. I feel like I need a professional beard trim. Although I'm liking this fuller look, but it can work for today. Maybe tomorrow I can go to the salon. But this kind of cool. बस खुद की तारीफ करते रहो इन vlogs में, क्योंकि और तो कोई करता नहीं है. Woo! It's getting hot. It's getting hot in here, and I'm not talking about the oven. Let's go. Woo! Whoa! क्या है ये गर्मी यार?
Yo, microphone check, make it a microphone check. Give it a microphone, I make it a microphone dead. Don't step to me, newbie, I could truly be moody. I could have played the fucking Grinch in the movies. I've been a part-time shadow cat, part-time. That is not a guy that I would ever want to try to battle rap. Snap, crackle, pop, mind fried to a crisp. Make an MC into a wide-eyed lunatic.
I didn't get the hazelnut coffee, but I got like a variety pack. Really happy about that. So grocery shopping done. Now I have to get some milk, some curd, some paneer. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Sometimes I feel like, is this decision of daily vlogging right? Or am I gonna completely regret this after a couple of months? Because I feel like, yes, it is me sharing my life and like everyday life with you guys, what I do, what I eat, what I buy, everything, all of my emotions. I'm just putting myself out there. Am I overexposing myself? These are all the questions that I keep asking myself every day. Ke, how much is too much? And who's going to decide that? But for now, vlogging seems like the best idea, and it makes me so happy every day when I get up in the morning. The idea that, oh, I'm gonna create something today, and I'm gonna make something today, and I'm gonna edit it, and this is a part of my life that I will be able to re-watch a couple of years from now. See, oh, that Rajat in 2020 was thinking like that and behaving like that, and you know, there's just this, I don't know where I'm going with this, but that's what I'm thinking. We got the goods. Okay, let me see. And oh no, okay, wait. Okay. Whew. Okay. Okay. Oh. If you decide to do something, you can do it. But how am I supposed to open this gate? Okay. Oh, what time is it? Let me check on my invisible watch. It's time for the coffee montage. I've not had coffee since like 2 weeks now. I am dying. Let's just go have some coffee. There are a lot of options, but I'm finding the hazelnut. Ooh, this one. If you're thinking why my hands are so red, because I just had spicy Cheetos, so that's why. And what is this makhi doing right now? What is? क्या है? क्या problem है? Honestly, after 2 weeks, I'm having this iced latte, and I'm not gonna lie, I have missed this. I did not drink it because मेरा गला खराब था, मुझे खांसी हो रही थी, so I was like, maybe the coffee is dehydrating, so it might just worsen the situation. But damn, this thing is addictive. This is the best time of the day for me because I get to watch the sunset and have my coffee. Cheers, guys. अगर आप लोग मुझे Anyway, अगर आप लोग मुझे इंस्टाग्राम पर फॉलो करते हो तो आप लोगों को पता होगा कि मैंने सैटरडे को एक इंस्टाग्राम लाइव की थी. दिस कार ऑन द रोड. व्हाई यू गाइस आर इंटरप्टिंग मी? यार बात करने दो. क्या हो गया? इतना क्या हो गया? Anyway, like I was saying, I did this very impromptu Instagram live talking about how it's been 4 years that I am a YouTuber. I make videos on YouTube. I have my Instagram handle where I post pictures. But to hand handle all of those things single-handedly has been a little bit of an issue for me, क्योंकि इन 4 सालों के बाद भी मुझे कभी-कभी लगता है I'm not found my true calling. See, I don't know how to explain it. When I say I've not found my true calling as in content-wise, I know I need to be in front of the camera. I know I love editing. I know I love picking up the camera and talking to the camera, and I love what I do. But what content, you know? I've made videos like recreating Virat Kohli's pictures. I've made videos like if Komolika was a guy in real life. I've made videos like videos about relationships and love, and you know, if you fall in love with your best friend, why we hate summers. I've made videos like introvert versus extrovert. I've made these vlogs. I've made a vlog of me moving to Mumbai, finding a new apartment. I've made motivational videos too. There have been so many different kinds of videos that I've made on my channel. It's an array of like various genres of content. And जब मैं ये content create कर रहा था, I was thinking, you know, with these videos I will understand कि मेरी audience मेरे channel पर किस reason से आती है. Maybe they come to watch my rant videos. Maybe they come to see, you know, sketches where I have my parents' character, or maybe they come to see my vlogs, or maybe they don't like vlogs at all. I started in 2016 and it's 2020, and these 4 years I feel like I've still not understood what my audience likes. Also because I've always experimented with my content. मैंने कभी एक particular content को follow नहीं किया कि oh I should just make rant videos, or I should just make sketches, or I should just make vlogs, or I should just make motivational videos. I try to balance it out. Like if there's a month where I'm doing a rant video, I'll try to push out a sketch video the next time, because I feel like it's nice to give the audience different flavors on my channel. But I feel like over the years I have only gotten confused कि मेरी audience को क्या पसंद है. So thinking about it, I got really overwhelmed, and I was like, I don't know if I want to continue this. You know, there are these days when you feel like you want to take these big decisions, but I knew somewhere that it's just a little phase, and thankfully that I took those 2 days off. It just helped me center my thoughts, and I'm back, and I know I'm back for the 50th time now. But honestly, I feel like I have to start becoming more unapologetic about these breaks that I take, because believe you me guys, I think decoders will know this, I put in my heart and soul in making these videos, and I don't want to come across as if like मैं अपनी तारीफ कर रहा हूँ, but मैं दिल से ये videos बनाता हूँ, मैं दिल से आप लोगों के साथ कम्युनिकेट करता हूँ अपने इमोशंस, जो भी मैं फील कर रहा हूँ. कभी कभी वो समझाने में ईजी होते हैं, कभी कभी वो समझाने में बहुत डिफिकल्ट होते हैं. वॉट आई एम विद पीपल अराउंड मी, लाइक इमीडिएटली, लाइक माई फैमिली एंड माई फ्रेंड्स, मैं आप लोगों से बिल्कुल उसी तरीके से बात करूँ, वही वाइब एंड वही कनेक्ट आप लोगों के साथ भी क्रिएट कर सकूँ. सो सॉरी बट नॉट सॉरी फॉर taking all the breaks that I've taken in the past, and all the breaks that I might take in the future as well, because even like आप लोग सोचोगे कि I take breaks from you guys, I take break from everyone. I pick up no calls, I don't talk to my parents, I don't talk to Ria, I just sit in my room and I don't talk to anybody, and I feel like that is a necessary me time that I have to take sometimes to be sane. Otherwise I become very irritable, and I become very like short-tempered, and I don't want to be that version of myself. So to be the happier version of myself, I take those breaks where I just go into my own zone, take some time, breathe, and then come out happier and nicer and kinder. So yeah, anyway, I'm gonna go in my car, watch the sunset, and then talk to you guys. Yo, this coffee, just got done with my sunset, and honestly the best hour of the day. Just chill, relax, watch the sunset. Literally some days I have to force myself to like not think about anything, not touch my phone, not touch this camera, just watch the sunset, and it's so calming. I highly recommend it. Also, I was thinking these vlogs somewhere have a certain format. Like I start with my intro, then there's a good morning, good afternoon, evening, and then there is a road rant, then there are car concerts, and then there is heart to heart. There's a certain flow to these vlogs that I also sometimes consciously, sometimes unconsciously follow. I was thinking कि of course I'm gonna do these kinds of vlogs, but I'm also gonna do a lot more artsy vlogs, because I miss doing that. Some vlogs which have no context whatsoever, कि ये सुबह कितने बजे उठा है, ये कब कहाँ गया है. Just artsy vlogs, just like some days if I want to make a vlog about, let's just say, my cousins, like a vlog dedicated to all of my cousins, I just want to do that and not tell you कि oh आज इतने बजे मैंने कॉफ़ी पी, इतने बजे मैंने ये किया, इतने बजे मैंने वो किया. I don't want to do that. There'll be certain special vlogs in the middle of the week where it's just not about my regular routine. It's just storytelling. It's just picking up a certain subject and talking about it and making a vlog out of it. Let me know if you want to see that, because I would love to know your inputs. I think your feedback is what will help me understand you guys and your choices better. So yeah, let me know. Do you see that? This Chipkali has no chill. Like this Chipkali came running from this wall up till here. I usually see Chipkalis are very chill and they stay on their spot. But this Chipkali is moving like anything. अब मैं जब बोल रहा हूँ अभी एकदम से बैठ गई है. प्रॉब्लम क्या है तेरी? हाँ, क्या इमोशनल अटैचमेंट है मेरे से? चाहे Chipkali है, कोई बात नहीं, कोई बात नहीं. You just do whatever you want, ना? Wait, I just realized I completely forgot to tell you that my dad is finally back home. He's back. In fact, take a look. Hello from the past. It is Saturday today and I just got the news. My dad called me and he said that the doctor came to visit him and उन्होंने चेकअप वगैरह करने के बाद सभी रिपोर्ट्स देखने के बाद फाइनली डिसाइड किया कि he's going to be discharged today, now, in just a couple of hours. And that makes me so happy, I cannot tell you. Instantly मेरे मन में सिर्फ आप लोगों को थैंक यू कहने के लिए है क्योंकि I feel like you guys have been super patient with these vlogs ये पिछले कुछ दिनों में. Thank you for being so patient and thank you for all of your warm wishes for my dad and for all of us घर पे. It's been a rough couple of days and I think I could not have done it without you guys being super loving and supporting all these days. So thank you so much. I'm really happy. मैं बस अभी ready हो गया हूँ. Dad is finally going to be back home. That makes me so happy and excited. So yeah, let's go get him. He's back home and I didn't vlog, like I took the camera along with me to the hospital, but I didn't vlog there because we went there at around 4:30 in the evening and we came back at 10:30 in the night because post-hospital discharge formalities took so long, so बहुत वक्त लग गया and I just couldn't vlog there and plus I had to just take care of him. In fact अभी भी वो बहुत रेस्ट कर रहे हैं, so I'm not bothering him much, but एक दो दिनों में देखते हैं, उनके साथ vlog भी करेंगे. Dad is back and I'm so happy he's back and he's healthy. Now why did I even come upstairs? You know, these vlogs, I just forget what I have to do. I have to change and then go downstairs and have my dinner. So पहले वो करते हैं. The best thing in summers is to get changed in comfy clothes. Next level bliss. Listen. Just don't judge me. No judgments. I'm getting myself another cup of coffee. Shh. You must be thinking कि रजत रात हो गई है, बाहर रात है. You still having coffee? रात को नींद कैसे आएगी? लेकिन मैं कहना चाहता हूँ कि सोना किसने है? So I'm gonna make myself some coffee and what you guys have to do is if you enjoyed this vlog, give it a big thumbs up. नीचे comment करके बताना if you also want to see these artsy vlogs that I was talking about. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell icon, tell your friends, tell your family, tell your entire tabbar, tell your khandan. Subscribe to Dailish Vlogs by Rajat Sharma. Just do it. It's free. It's free. And even if you forget doing all of this, like, comment, subscribe, share, kaun karta hai, it's fine. Don't forget to be the best and the happiest version of yourself. The water is boiling. See you guys tomorrow.